rock you like little baby? Huh? Huh? Yeah? Are you sure you want me to rock you like little baby? Yeah? Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you positive? Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, little girl. Come on, let's rock you like little baby.
Brings us the story.
Go to sleep, go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Hiring Our Heroes is
You
a
need to go
nationwide
to sleep.
12-week program aimed at
Oh
helping
no!
veterans and
I thought you were sleeping.
members find
Go
employment
to sleep.
opportunities in civilian life. The corporate
Hey,
fellowship program
stop fighting with me.
career skills program
Hey,
with the military
you just at the camera.
the opportunity
Stop fighting. Fine, you can go back to your bed. What are you going to do now? Huh? Huh? Oh, you tired, huh? Go to bed. Go night-night. Go night-night. Go night-night. Go like this. Do that.
And then learn who you really are as a person outside of the uniform.
From day one, these soldiers are taught teamwork and community in order to thrive in the
Go
field,
to sleep.
a key skill that easily transitions to the corporate world.
What is this? Is this your favorite treat? Is this your favorite treat? Here you go.
Comcast, Excel Energy, TechWise, and the Broadmoor are
Do you want it?
local companies supporting this initiative.
Are you sure?
It wouldn't be successful without the
Do you want to play with this little puppy?
So I hope that they've seen the benefits from it. And
Snip,
I'd love
snip.
to see this program grow.
Okay. This is another video. Peace, everyone, and subscribe. Leave a like.